If your ads used to get you clients, but now they're just sitting there burning your budget, this is why. I'm going to share with you the one thing that kills your ad performance faster than anything else, but also how you can fix it in under 48 hours so that your ads start bringing in qualified leads again. P.S. If you want our frameworks that make fixing your ads easy, just drop the word starting below because I can send these straight over to you. Hello, I'm Tina from 𝘮𝘮𝗡𝗏.com. Now, since 2019, I've been working with online businesses and helping to revive their cold lead lists and transform underperforming funnels into high converting assets, and all without people needing to start again from scratch or overhauling their entire system. And in every single video right now, you're going to get either a strategy or a tactic that you can immediately implement after watching. Now, here's what most people don't realize right now. Ad fatigue isn't about your audience getting bored of your face. It's actually about your ad copy no longer answering the questions that your ideal clients are asking themselves right now. You know, your audience evolved, but your ad copy stayed the same. So what happens is Facebook keeps showing old messages to people who've already moved past that stage. And what we're finding is most ad managers will tell you just to refresh your creative or change the image there. But got to share this with you, changing the image does not change the message. Your audience is not ignoring your ads because they don't like your photo. They're ignoring them simply because the copy is not speaking to their current questions. And what happens is you end up spending more money to reach fewer people, and then your cost per lead keeps rising. So I'm going to share with you what you need to check when your ad manager says they're refreshing your ads. First, make sure that they are writing ads that answer different questions at different stages of awareness, because you need at least 5 different ads right now, and each one speaking to a specific question that your ideal clients have as they move closer to booking in a call with you. Second thing you want to do, check whether each ad addresses just one question deeply. Now, what we find is most ad copy tries to do too much in one go. Each ad should focus on one specific question. For example, like, how do I know this will work for me? And if your ad manager cannot tell you which specific question each ad answers, then the copy is not strategic enough. The third thing you want to do, make sure that all 5 ads run in one campaign, because Facebook's Andromeda learns faster when it can see which messages resonate at which stage. And if your ads are split across campaigns, Facebook just cannot connect the dots and your cost per lead stays high, and you don't want that. Now, all of this works because you're fixing ad fatigue with better messaging, not with more budget. And when your ad copy answers the exact questions that your ideal clients are asking at every single stage, what happens is they will stop scrolling and they will start engaging. And then Facebook learns who responds to which message, and then your cost per lead drops while your conversion rate goes up. So again, if you want our frameworks that make fixing your ads much easier, meaning that you can fill in the blanks and launch the new ads today, just drop the word starting below and I'll send them straight over.